my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I am participating in an international Christmas wreath challenge. This challenge is hosted by ladies from all over the place, so I have them all written down here so I don't miss any of the hosts. So it's hosted by MomDas Life Handmade, Style with Pat, Chelle's Glam Home, Deco Easy, Kentucky Frey'd Fun, and Kiki's DIY. I will have all of the ladies' channels linked down below as well as the playlist, so make sure you go check them all out once you're done watching my video. So I have made, if you are following along, I have made several wreaths up until now. So I decided this time around I'm going to do a fun wreath. It is still Christmas, but it's a bit of a fun wreath. So without further ado, let's get started.
So the supplies that you will need for this wreath are, well, they all came from Dollar Store. So this one came from Dollar Tree, the wire wreath, as well as these styrofoam wreaths. They both came, all three of them came from Dollar Tree. This garland came from Dollarama and it was $1.50. And I have, I think, 6 of them all together. You will also need a hot glue gun. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these tags, and then I'm going to wrap this garland all around all 3 of the wreaths. You want to start off by attaching a bit of hot glue, and I'm doing it on the back of it, along the little wire that runs across it. So I will repeat the same process for the third loop as well. So I have also decided to use these mini ears as well as the little twist ties and some ribbon, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use these lights, but I have them just in case. So I'm going to hot glue the wreaths together, and to keep the hot glue in place, I'm going to add these twist ties around them and tighten them, and then I'm gonna add the hot glue. That way the twist ties will keep them tight together, so the hot glue has a chance to work and actually glue them together. Once that's done, I'm going to I have added the little ribbon for hanging, and then I'm going to take apart these mini ears and use the ribbon for decorating the wreath. So here it is. I think it turned out so cute. I will be keeping it in my playroom so the kids can enjoy it. I decided not to put the lights on, but you totally can. You can even add maybe some balls to it, or really anything. I just simply like the way it looks, just like the way it is.
So I hope you enjoyed this wreath. It was a little bit different, but I didn't want it to repeat all the other ones I have made. So yeah, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If this is your first time stopping by, make sure you press that subscribe button if you liked what you saw. And those of you that are returning viewers, thank you so much for your continuous support. And until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.